Hey guys, I'm here in Cebu City, Philippines, and today is my day off. And so yesterday we had a long day of mission going to find a sustainability of providing jobs for the people here. Our economy here in the Philippines is sucks, totally sucks. But we're finding some solution for that. But this morning, as I was browsing on the computer or in my phone, I found out that there is a business close to my place, and the name is Aqua World. So I visit the website here, and the website is really looks horrible. I mean, as you can see here, you can hardly see any reservation, phone number. All it does is the pictures, and it's barely functional. And so what I'm going to do is to call the business owner for this company. This is just randomly that we have to tell them. I have to tell them that their website is not functional at all. So this is why I do day of time. I have to call random business and propose to them to their websites. Make it mobile friendly. Make sure that there's no bugs on it. Okay? Let's go to the phone call. Hello. Hello, good maayong buntag diha Aqua World.
Yes, nabuntag daw.
Nakita na ko imong website bitaw nga dili siya mobile friendly. So,
Ako ang naghimo gidana do. Mo ano mi ana amo. Suod yo kayo nga amigo sa kumbana ba nga Japanese kay sagad mong amo customer diri Japanese kay kusukuan gid sila ba sikat sila dahil kaila ang lending.
pwede ba ato i-translate na translation sa Japanese o Korean sa inyong website? So atong buhaton ani is ang ato ni siyang i-connect sa Google Translation.
Oo.
Onya Onya nakita nimo akong website, no? So ingon ana siya.
Sa Google.
Oo. So atong buhaton pwede gani nga ang imong email atong i-connect dito sa kanang mag-book sila unsa nga date para dili na bitaw daghan og communication imuha. So, aniya akong buhaton ani sa inyo ha. Maghimo ko og mga kanang step by step. Simple ra man na siya. Inya imuha lang i-follow kung mag-post ka og mga pictures.
Bali update tingnan sa mag-update ko.
Unya.
Update ko picture prices nana.
Unya libre. Anya ako lang ilibre sa inyo ha ang sa inyong business ang kani nga teaching para nga kamo nay bahala. Akong ibutang akong kumpanya nga powered by.
Ingon ana.
Oo.
Dili gimi ingon ba nga ang tekiya diri Japanese. Kami just Filipino, just 100% Pinoy gimi nga company.
Okay. Hatagi ko 2,000 one time.
2001 time.
So tawagi ko balik kung unsa inyong decision, okay? Barato ra na siya.
Magsoy niya na tagbalik ka.
Si-
Wala lisod niya din siya.
Okay, sige, storya tagbalik. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Salamat kay Dunga.
Walay sa payan.
Sige, sige.
Bye-bye.